Hello everyone, I am Professor Do-Young Lee. On behalf of Professor Jinwan Kim and myself, we welcome you to the class Modeling and Control of Engineering Systems. We'll be teaching together this coming semester. The course is on control engineering for undergraduate students in our Department of Mechanical Engineering. Can be arranged as you can see in the screen. The first course is this course, Modeling and Control of Engineering Systems. And the next undergraduate course is Automatic Control. And the course is listed in the right, usually are being taught in the graduate levels. So for those students who are interested in control engineering, we recommend to follow this path. In coming semester, we'll be teaching the subject, as you can see in the screen. First, we'll take a look at the systems perspective of modeling dynamic systems. Of course, we'll be using differential equations and Laplace transforms as tools for modeling and analysis of control systems. And then we'll talk about the basic concepts of control, and we'll cover the block diagrams as a succinct tool to represent and analyze control systems. And then we'll take an analysis of the systems of first order and second orders. The systems of higher orders can be successfully represented with a combination of these first and second order systems results. The root-locus method it can be considered as a foundation for control engineering. We'll take a look at how to draw these root locuses of the objective control systems and how to design the controllers using these root locuses. And then next, we'll take a look at the frequency responses of the systems. Usually, when you design the controllers for any systems, the systems model are not given to you. So the first step we can use to guess or estimate the model of the systems is using the frequency responses. We'll look at how to use these frequency responses and a very useful tool, body plots, to estimate even the orders of the systems and the models of the systems, and then how to use these frequency responses to design the controllers. Throughout the semesters, we'll be covering many homeworks which request you to use MATLAB software to solve these problems. Well, we are looking forward to meeting you in the coming fall semester, and I encourage you to take a challenge into this exciting and rewarding subject area of control engineering. Thank you very much.